Did you know meditation can actually change your brain? This ancient practice does more than calm your mind. It can transform how you think and feel. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, and its benefits are now being confirmed by modern science. When you meditate, you engage in a process that can lead to profound changes in your brain's structure and function. Studies have shown that regular meditation can increase grey matter in areas of the brain associated with memory, learning, and emotional regulation. It can also reduce the size of the amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for stress and anxiety. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can experience greater mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall well-being. So why not give it a try? Studies show that meditation significantly reduces stress by lowering cortisol, the hormone responsible for those overwhelming feelings of anxiety and tension. Imagine just a few minutes each day making you feel calmer and more focused. Meditation is not just a practice, it's a journey towards inner peace and mental clarity. By dedicating a small portion of your day to mindfulness, you can transform your overall well-being. Picture yourself in a serene environment, free from the chaos of daily life, where your mind can truly relax. As you breathe deeply and focus inward, your body responds by reducing the production of cortisol. This simple yet powerful practice can lead to a more balanced and harmonious life. So why not take a moment each day to meditate and experience the profound benefits it offers? Your mind and body will thank you. But it doesn't stop there. Meditation can boost brain power, strengthening areas responsible for memory, learning, and even positive thinking. Over time, it can rewire your brain for more resilience and focus. Meditation is not just about finding inner peace. It has profound effects on the brain's structure and function. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice can increase the thickness of the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain associated with decision-making, attention, and self-control. This means that with consistent practice, you can enhance your ability to concentrate and make better decisions. Moreover, meditation has been found to increase the volume of the hippocampus, the part of the brain that plays a crucial role in memory formation and retention. This can lead to improved memory and learning capabilities. Additionally, meditation promotes the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons, further enhancing cognitive functions. In essence, meditation is a powerful tool that can transform your brain, making it more resilient, focused, and capable of positive thinking. Whether it's through guided meditation, mindfulness, or simple breathing exercises, this practice helps you tune into your body, your mind, and ultimately, a happier you. So, could meditation improve your life? Give it a try and see for yourself. What's your favorite way to relax? Drop a comment below.